Senator...
Nag-iisip lang. I'm just guided by the Holy Spirit, Mr. President. To be honest.
Holy Spirit! Ano ba Holy Spirit, ha? Holy Spirit ka agad, ha?
Para sa wakas, bigyang daan yung inaprubahan nating motion kahapon na manumpa na po kami. I still
Point
have
of
the floor.
order.
I have the floor, Mr.
Point of
President.
order.
I have the floor, Mr. President.
A point
to
of
make
order,
way
Mr. President.
for
Verified impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte be dismissed.
Allahu Akbar! Shut your fucking